All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Yesterday, we had a look inside our Remix IDE at the ABI. Now, today, we're going to move forward from there and do some light reading. So, we don't need to know the logic of the functions. We just need to know which functions of the aggregator V3 interface we want to interact with. The aggregator V3 interface is the interface that we are going to be using to interact with the chain leak price feeds. We can find the aggregator V3 interface on the chain leak documentation websites. I'm not sure if I showed you that website yet or is it coming up, but that's where we can find it at. For now, we'll just copy the aggregator V3 interface from a previously built contract and paste it into our own contract right at the top of the contract. Now our contract should look like this. So you can see here we have our interface, aggregator V3 interface. This is everything that it contains. We have a decimals function, a description function, a version function, and a latest answer function. This is a UN8. This one's going to be view only. This is going to be a string with 1,000 character limit, view only. This is going to be a UN256 view only. And this is going to be an integer 256 view only. Now these are all the functions that are going to be a part of the functions that we are going to be using. So that's what the interface aggregator V3 interface does for us. You can see we added it right at the top of the contract that we have so far. Let's scroll down so I can show you the entire thing. So you can see here we have our minimum USD, which is public. We have our deploy with the minimum USD set to 5. Then we have our payable, and then we have our withdraw still set to pass. Now note we'll be learning a different way to work with interfaces in the future, but for now we're going to be using the inline Vyper interface. Also note, if you want to ensure that these functions even exist, we can go back to the chainlink documentation. This is the link right here. Let me go down a little bit. So you can see this is the link right here, and we can look at the price feed contract addresses to see the functions that are available to us. And that's what we're going to do for now. Like I said, I don't want to overload you too much as we move forward. I do want you to be able to keep up as I'm moving forward, but I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.